What happens when intelligent machines replace thousands of skilled construction workers, forever changing how humanity builds cities, bridges, and the future itself? Across the world, construction sites are transforming faster than anyone imagined, driven by machines that never tire, hesitate, or stop learning from experience. Behind every remarkable modern building, artificial intelligence quietly coordinates countless decisions before the first concrete truck even reaches the construction site. Today's construction revolution begins with intelligent planning, where advanced algorithms predict challenges long before workers or machines arrive on location every morning. Every successful project depends on extraordinary precision, making automation essential for delivering faster schedules. Every centimeter matters because even tiny measurement errors can eventually become costly structural problems across enormous infrastructure projects built for generations ahead. With accurate digital terrain models completed, intelligent systems determine exactly where every foundation, column, and structural element should eventually stand permanently. The next breakthrough arrives through robotic bricklayers capable of building walls continuously with astonishing consistency under demanding construction conditions every day.
Unlike human crews, these machines maintain identical accuracy from sunrise until midnight without slowing under exhausting workloads or
thousands of perfectly positioned bricks become powerful evidence that automation can dramatically increase productivity while reducing cost.
As structures grow taller, another remarkable technology quietly takes over one of construction's most demanding and
perfect welds strengthen massive steel skeletons while reducing inconsistencies that often appear during repetitive manual fabrication under difficult working environments every shift. Every completed connection increases structural reliability, allowing engineers to confidently construct taller buildings.
Automation is no longer replacing individual tasks because entire construction workflows are becoming intelligent.
Materials now travel through construction sites using autonomous vehicles that continuously optimize delivery routes without unnecessary delays or dangerous traffic conflicts between equipment. Efficient logistics quietly save countless hours, ensuring every robotic system receives materials exactly. Coordinating thousands of moving parts would overwhelm humans alone, making artificial intelligence the invisible supervisor behind every successful modern construction.
Constant streams of operational data allow intelligent systems to anticipate equipment conflict.
The construction industry is entering an extraordinary era where human creativity and intelligent machines together redefine how massive drilling systems reach solid bedrock because every towering building depends on invisible strength hidden far beneath the surface, supporting
concrete pours continuously into and reinforced foundations.
Every completed foundation becomes the hidden backbone supporting remarkable buildings that millions of people may never fully appreciate beneath their everyday lives together. Steel columns begin rising with astonishing speed as robotic systems position enormous structural components using unmatched precision across expanding construction zones and areas. Every new structural level demonstrates how automation dramatically reduces delays while maintaining extraordinary consistency through.
Human specialists remain essential because intelligent machines still depend on experienced professionals making critical engineering decisions.
Rather than replacing expertise, advanced robotics amplify human capabilities, allowing construction teams to
Soon, another revolutionary technology begins transforming dangerous inspections into efficient operations performed high above active. These flying systems rapidly discover hidden issues before they become expensive delays, protecting schedules while improving safety across massive infrastructure developments every season. Construction sites now generate enormous amounts of information, creating opportunities for artificial intelligence to use. Predictive systems continuously analyze equipment performance, reducing unexpected breakdowns before they interrupt carefully planned. Unexpected weather once disrupted construction for weeks, but intelligent forecasting now helps teams adapt with remarkable speed and operational confidence every season ahead. Every completed task instantly updates digital construction models, keeping every African-American engineer, mid-30s, Connected. For the first time, construction decisions happen almost instantly because intelligent systems understand project conditions faster than traditional management approaches ever could. This remarkable transformation inspires your curiosity. Imagine what the next generation of construction technology will accomplish beyond today's extraordinary achievements together. The pace of innovation continues accelerating as intelligent machines tackle increasingly complex challenges once considered impossible for automated construction systems to accomplish safely. Entire neighborhoods may soon emerge faster than ever before because automation transforms every construction stage into one connected intelligent ecosystem working continuously together. Human imagination remains the driving force because every revolutionary machine still begins as an extraordinary engineering idea brought carefully into reality through innovation. The next chapter will reveal how artificial intelligence reshapes entire cities, forever changing the relationship. Construction robots are becoming more intelligent because every completed task continuously improves future performance through constant learning and operational refinement. Artificial intelligence now predicts construction delays before they happen, allowing projects to maintain momentum. Robotic concrete systems achieve remarkable consistency while reducing waste, ensuring stronger structures and more sustainable construction practices for future generations around the world. Complex building components now arrive fully prepared, dramatically reducing assembly time while improving quality through factories and construction sites are merging into one intelligent production system, where automation connects manufacturing directly with final building assembly every hour. Autonomous cranes carefully coordinate heavy lifting operations, reducing risks while positioning enormous structural elements. Every synchronized machine movement demonstrates how advanced automation transforms dangerous construction tasks into loose. Even hazardous environments become more manageable because intelligent machines safely perform demanding operations. Sensors embedded throughout the project continuously monitor structural conditions, providing valuable information that strengthens safety throughout every stage of modern construction. Real-time monitoring enables engineers to respond immediately, preventing small issues from growing into significant structural challenges affecting project performance over time.
Construction productivity continues climbing because intelligent systems coordinate thousands with simultaneous activities.
Traditional construction schedules are rapidly shrinking as automation accelerates nearly every stage without compromising structural integrity or future construction sites will become connected ecosystems where machines continuously communicate, adapt, and optimize every operation without unnecessary. Artificial intelligence is transforming construction into a predictive industry where informed decisions replace uncertainty. Tomorrow's builders will collaborate with intelligent machines, unlocking possibilities once limited by physical labor. The revolution has already begun, quietly reshaping construction into one of humanity's most advanced partnerships. Each remarkable breakthrough proves automation is not slowing down because innovation continues expanding beyond. Construction is entering an entirely new era where intelligent robotics help transform visionary engineering concepts into practical reality with unprecedented. The greatest transformation is not replacing workers, but empowering people to accomplish extraordinary engineering goals. Beyond today's remarkable achievements lies an even smarter construction future, where artificial intelligence continues. Entire skyscrapers may soon rise with minimal delays because intelligent robotics coordinate every structural stage. Future infrastructure will adapt continuously through connected intelligence, allowing construction projects to respond instantly to changing environmental and operational. Automation is rapidly becoming the foundation for building stronger, safer, and more sustainable cities, designed to support future generations across an evolving global. Every successful innovation encourages engineers to pursue even greater ambitions, transforming impossible concepts into mix. Construction sites of tomorrow will operate almost continuously because intelligent systems optimize every object. Powerful artificial intelligence enables faster decisions while maintaining remarkable engineering standards across. Advanced robotic excavation systems reshape challenging terrain with exceptional precision, preparing complex sites once condolence. Every improvement in automation strengthens collaboration between engineering expertise and intelligent machines. Construction technology continues evolving because every ambitious project inspires entirely new solutions for increasing.
Smart infrastructure will soon monitor itself continuously, helping engineers maintain critical systems before.
Cleaner construction methods become as intelligent machines minimize waste while improving efficiency across every stage of modern.
Large engineering projects increasingly depend upon intelligent automation capable of coordinating thousands of simultaneous operations. The world's fastest construction projects demonstrate how automation transforms ambitious visions into completed infrastructure at speed.
Artificial intelligence empowers construction teams with unprecedented awareness, helping every decision contribute.
Construction workers of the future will master advanced technologies, guiding intelligent machines instead of performing repetitive physical labor throughout demanding engineering projects daily.
Innovation never truly stops, because every engineering breakthrough becomes the starting point for an even greater construction.
Human creativity remains irreplaceable because visionary ideas continue inspiring intelligent machines to
Engines. Every completed structure stands as evidence that collaboration between diverse groups of people and intelligent machines. The next generation of construction has already arrived, quietly building tomorrow's world with intelligence, precision, and.
Tomorrow's cities will emerge faster than ever before, because intelligent construction continuously improve.
Robotic precision is redefining engineering excellence, enabling stronger buildings capable of serving communities safely through decades of environmental challenges.
Artificial intelligence continues unlocking remarkable efficiencies, making ambitious construction.
Every technological breakthrough demonstrates that construction innovation is accelerating beyond expectations, transforming the world's most. Future engineering success depends upon collaboration, where experienced professionals and intelligent machines combine.
Automation creates opportunities for builders to focus on creativity, innovation, and solving increasingly complex engineering challenges.
Cleaner technologies and intelligent automation together reduce environmental impact while supporting faster construction across expanding cities. Every completed project proves intelligent construction is no longer a distant vision, but an essential part of modern engineering progress around the world today. The construction revolution continues inspiring engineers to imagine extraordinary possibilities beyond today's greatest achievements. Around the globe, intelligent construction technologies are reshaping economies while creating safer, smarter. The future belongs to those embracing innovation because intelligent machines expand human potential rather than replacing the vision, driving remarkable engineering progress forward together.
Construction has entered a transformative era where intelligence, precision, and automation together.
Yet the most extraordinary chapter may still remain ahead, because innovation continues advancing faster than anyone imagined only a few years ago together. Imagine cities where intelligent systems construct entire neighborhoods while people focus on creativity, sustainability, and lustite. The relationship between humans and machines is evolving into a powerful partnership capable of reshaping civilization.
The question remains for every engineer, builder, and dreamer, watching this revolution unfold before our eyes across the rapidly changing.
Will artificial intelligence simply transform construction, or will it completely redefine how humanity creates the cities of tomorrow for everyone forever together?
If this journey changed how you see construction, another extraordinary engineering revolution is.
The future is already under construction, and humanity has only begun discovering what intelligent engineering can truly